to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the next mythical epic that's coming to Prodigy earlier today, or maybe yesterday. Don't know when I'm posting this yet, but they leaked, or I talked about how the mythical epic was not, or was going to be a new type of mythical epic, but a user on Fandom, I've had this guy in a few videos, his name's First Mate Craig. He went around and found the mythical epic, so I am going to be showing it to you guys right now. So this is what I thought it was going to be. I didn't think it could be Big Hex or Luma, but now we have the correct version, and here it is. It is going to be Big Hex. It just looks very weird. So yeah, just gonna show you guys what it looks like. It looks like this. I didn't think it could be Big Hex because on the thing it didn't look correct. On here, let's see if it will pop up real quick. So I didn't think it was going to be Big Hex because next up it says should be Luma, but instead it's going to be this. Plus, it doesn't look like Big Hex whatsoever, but it is going to be Big Hex. I'll just show you guys what it's going to look like. You can just go ahead and take it in for a few seconds. So yeah. Okay, so if you want to get a little bit of a idea of what it's going to look like, the head will be here. So yeah, that's gonna end up the video. This will be the which member, or this will come out in April. So yeah, that's gonna go ahead and end up the video. And as I said earlier today, 8.2% of you are subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. That's going to end up the video, and bye.